welcome to the course of Stability of Structure as NPTEL course. The course will cover various aspects of structural stability, primarily focusing on elastic stability. Both the static as well as dynamic stability aspect will be covered in sufficient detail. The syllabus or course content will be discussed and will be elaborated in the first video lectures that will be released soon. A number of books are consulted along with other sources of information such as journal papers, other course note from other instructor and so on. The course essentially contains out the material which has been taught in a similar course at IIT Kanpur. Multiple books written by various authors, personal communications and lecture notes from other instructor are consulted while preparing the video lectures. In some way it may be seen as a suboptimal if not optimal collection of various materials. So let us briefly discuss about the necessity of this course, the importance of this course of structural stability and why it is relevant today. Historically, the sensitizations regarding structural stability started with collapse of several iron or steel bridges in Europe after the Second World War. And there of course have been several other failures, structural failure. An account of all this can be found by an excellent review that has been presented by Professor J.D. Bezan from Northwestern University, and that was published. That was entitled Structural Stability, Past, Present and Future. It was published in the Journal of Solids and Structures. Materials used for building structures are becoming more and more stronger, and that is because of high strength steel, concrete, composites and nanomaterials recently. So day by day, therefore allowing the slender design of structures because the strength is increasing, so that will allow more slender structure. However, such slender design also enhances their susceptibility to geometric instability in the form of buckling, which is a form of static instability. Therefore, stability will definitely play an important role in future design. In view of this ever increasing strength of construction materials and other advanced materials. Apart from static stability in the form of buckling, there have been a rapid increase in construction of tall structures, for example, tall buildings, cable stayed bridges, cable suspension bridges, tall chimneys, which are flexible and wind sensitive. And they are also susceptible to aerodynamic instability in the form of flutter. We all are aware about 1940 Tacoma Bridge collapse, which happened due to aerodynamic instability by flutter, which was an example of this. All this will be covered in this course, and this make the discussion of structural stability prudent. The course will discuss on this aspect. However, apart from the elastic stability, there are a large number of more advanced topics. Those are beyond the scope of this course, but which are very important. These include mainly the plastic instability, localization instability, thermodynamic aspect of stability, and inconsistencies that have been reported in stability under analysis under alternate and conjugate measure of finite deformation. All this but covers a very important aspect which are not covered in this course. Nevertheless, it is our great hope that with this little background, whatever is covered in this course, we will be definitely be able to explore on these topics should anyone is interested. With this, I would like to thank you all for participating in this course, and I consider myself rewarded if any of the course material is found to be useful to any one of us. Okay, I would like to thank you all.